Namaskar, just good afternoon. The distinguished dignitaries on the dais, Honorable Ankush Rao Kadam Sahib, Chancellor of MGM University, Honorable Dr. P.M. Jadhav, Vice Chairman of the Trust, Professor Dr. Vilas Sapkal, Vice Chancellor, MGM University. We have Mr. Rajuli, Board Member, and very dynamic, young, brilliant Registrar. I use this superlative adjective because I had an occasion to interact with him, Dr. Ashish Gadekar, and also I had occasion to interact with his Humsafar, Dr. Gadekar as well. The distinguished principals, directors, faculties, the young and the restless students here, after going through elaborately as to what this MGM mission and MGM University is all about, I had an idea in depth the kind of services it is being rendered by MGM mission. मला 2 वर्षापूर्वी हार्वर्डमध्ये बोलवलं होतं to address to the diaspora and international students and educators by alumni of Harvard. My excitement was so much that I can't describe today. आणि गेल्या वर्षी मला ऑक्सफर्ड आणि वेस्टमिन्स्टर युनिव्हर्सिटीने बोलवलं होतं. तिथे सुद्धा मला असं वाटलं की I could not express my sentiments then. But the invite coming from MGM University was my dream. This was possibly the highest level of excitement that I had, because this is our own indigenous university which follows Mahatma Gandhi in every aspect. If the father of the nation may have been forgotten by some of us in India, but you go beyond in India, Mahatma Gandhi, Bapuji is icon for the countries all over the world where they are in turmoil. They feel the role model is Mahatma Gandhi. Martin Luther King of United States, and also the father of the nation for South Africa, Mandela, they idolize Mahatma Gandhi. So Mahatma Gandhi ji is an international icon, not only limited to India, but in some way we have forgotten him in our way of life. That's where our problem is. But Kadam family made a humble beginning way back in 1982 on the birth anniversary of Bapuji on 2nd October. They started with a healthcare organization in a remote area of Maharashtra and the most backward region of Maharashtra, that is Marathwada. These 5 brilliant brothers, 3 of them are engineers of repute and 2 of them doctors. One of them is also an IITian. And your present chancellor is a mechanical engineer. And your vice chancellor is an IIT graduate. He is IITian in chemical engineering, and happened to be also the Vice Chancellor of Nagpur University. What a combination. Remarkable. And there then, after that, they moved ahead with imbibing the spirit of Mahatma Gandhi in a sense that nobody has done it, at least I don't know in India elsewhere, and to start an organization of this gigantic size with holistic approach and also catering to the have-nots. I always say that private institutions are commercial by and large. There are two institutes that stand out being non-commercial, is Mahatma Gandhi Mission and Anjuman Islam as well. By inviting me today to be the chief guest of our 5th Foundation Day, I feel we have honored my organization, which has similar principles. When it started 150 years ago, all the freedom fighters who were partly in jail and partly out started this organization called Anjuman Islam. And from its foundation till today, it's one of its kind which is inclusive. उसमें हर तरह का हिंदुस्तानी मौजूद है, हर मज़हब का, हर इलाके का। आपको हिंदुस्तान वहाँ नज़र आएगा। ये वो उस दौर की सोच थी कि हम एक एजुकेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बनाएंगे और सबके लिए होगा। वही आप कर रहे हैं और आपने मुझे आमंत्रण दिला, त्याबद्दल मी आभारी आहोत. You have honored my organization, not me. When I was conferred this award, I had never imagined that I would be getting an award like this. I had not filled up any form, no recommendations. And I was in the midst of Kitab Mela organized by the Education Ministry, Government of Maharashtra, Government of India, at BKC. The collector called me up. आणि कलेक्टरने मला विचारलं, तुम्ही इथेच राहतात का? हा पत्ता बरोबर आहेत का? घर तुमचं आहे का? किती वर्ष राहिले तुम्ही इथं? मी म्हटलं, झालं काय? काहीतरी गडबड आहे का माझी प्रॉपर्टीला? नाही म्हटलं, काहीतरी गुड न्यूज आहे. म्हटलं, तुम्ही मला तरी सांगा तरी काय गुड? मी डॉक्टर आहे. वी आर नोन टू कीप आवर सिक्रेट्स. तर म्हणाला, यू आर शॉर्ट लिस्टेड फॉर पद्मा. त्याच्यानंतर बँड्रा पोलीस स्टेशनचा सिनियर इन्स्पेक्टर मला फोन केलं, साहेब तुम्ही इथे राहता? मी म्हटलं, ये ना बाबा, उद्या आपण चहा पिऊ भरून. नंतर IB इन्कम टॅक्स वगैरे वगैरे असं सगळं झालं. इट वॉज शॉर्ट लिस्टेड. पण आपल्याकडे पण लोक आहे मंत्रालय. मी विचारलं, हे कसं काय? ते म्हणाले की तुम्ही फॉर्म भरले होतं काय रिकमेंड? म्हटलं, कायच केलं नाही. 25 जानेवारीला मला एक फोन येतो, जॉईंट सेक्रेटरी फ्रॉम होम मिनिस्ट्री, आणि तो म्हणाला, आपण डॉक्टर काजीजी है क्या? म्हटलं, हो. बोले, तुम्हारा पद्मा पुरस्कार, आपको पद्मा पुरस्कार दिया जा रहा है, आपको एक्सेप्टेबल है क्या? मी म्हटलं, असं काय? आय विल टेक इट विथ बोथ हँड. म्हटलं, नाही, लोक अवॉर्ड्स आर गिवन देन दे रिफ्यूज. And त्याच्यानंतर रात्रीला the name came and then there were people from all over. So I had not anticipated that. But that award is not for me, what I'm trying to say. That award belongs to my teachers, my students and my principals. Had they not performed, I would not have received this award at all. And I must tell you that my teachers have a culture where they come in time and they work beyond school hours. In school education, they cater to the most marginalized section of the society. आपल्याकडे 50% students are not able to pay nominal fees. 60% first generation learners आहेत. त्यांच्या घरी शिक्षण कोणीच घेतलेलं नाही. And when we have open day, the fathers don't come, because if they come for a day, their one day's labor is lost. Mothers come, uneducated, they don't understand. There the teachers play a vital role. अँड मी तुमच्याकडे पण बघितलं की इट इज अ होलिस्टिक अप्रोच टू द एज्युकेशन. आमचा बी पण कॉन्सेप्ट आहे होलिस्टिक अप्रोच. What we do, we give skill to the mothers so that they become self-reliant. We impart adult education to the mothers, basic adult education. Workable mathematics, Urdu language if it is, Marathi if they want to, and English. Now, when you are talking of education, holistic has to reach to the last level. आणि मी एक सिस्टम सुरू केली आहे साहेब, मेंटॉर आणि मेंटी. इट सो हॅपन दॅट वन ऑफ आवर young brilliant students, girl student, she was run over by a train while she was crossing the track, and she come from the most marginalized section. She came from a hutman. The next day I went to the house to visit the family. I didn't take any faculty, anyone. I said, let me have an independent survey, and I took this gentleman who is sitting amongst you. He's a CEO. तुम्ही होते ना माझ्या बरोबर. I went to the house. There was no house. You had to walk over the covered gutter. On either side, the tenements were so low, you had to bend and go. त्यांच्या घरी गेलं. I expected कि बहुत गमशुदा माहौल होगा. बहुत सारे लोग आए होंगे पड़ोसी. घर में कोई नहीं था, कोई पड़ोसी नहीं, कोई नहीं. त्यांच्या वडीलला विचारलं, मी तुम्ही काय करतात? He said, I am employed in a small firm where I am a workman, technical. And then small daughter was there. He said, she also goes to your school. She will become a doctor. त्याच्यानंतर I saw somebody lying on the bed. That was their son who was bedridden since birth. Mother attending to that. उनके पास कहाँ वक्त है रोने धोने के लिए? बोला कल से मैं चला जाऊंगा मेरे काम के लिए. ये देखने के बाद the next day I called all principals. I said, let's start like this. There has to be a mentor and mentee program. One teacher will attend to 30 students. They will have home visit once in 6 months and come back with the input. You will be shocked to know what the inputs are. Single parent, बाप दारू पीता है, एक ने बाप माँ को छोड़ के गया है, घर में पढ़ने के लिए जगह नहीं है. Young ones, you listen to this. They don't have a study room at home. They don't have their computers. They don't have internet. And some of them are not able to study because mother and father, they keep on watching TV whole night. And morning when the children come, they are very groggy. So that kind of analysis when we got, and we started doing course correction, helping them out, reaching out to them for medicines, so the rationing and many things. This is the concept of holistic approach to the education. You look at Maharashtra, very progressive state today. आपल्याकडे rural areas मध्ये एक शाळा आणि एक टीचर आहेत ना. What one shada, one teacher will teach? 4th standard nunter, there are dropouts because they feel that our child is not able to write his name, so let him go and work somewhere. These are the dropouts. Not only dropouts, sir, there are students, there are children who are out of school. शाळेला गेलेतच नाही. We have adopted a scheme to get them on the board. We provide transportation, get them back. It's a Herculean task. The figures that we present are good figures. The figures which are on the other side are very pathetic. Therefore, the role that you play, I was amazed to see that you had that sense of belonging and reaching out to the have-nots is incredible. Anjuman Islam. The name suggests that it is an organization, but it is not so. I saw some of the presentation where talked about inclusiveness, we respect diversities, which is what India is today. India is going to be the Vishwa Guru because India has got human resources. But they need to be aligned. There has to be no discrimination whatsoever. And nothing can stop India from becoming Vishwa Guru. But we need to all work together. I'll give an example of what diversity and inclusiveness is. आपल्याकडे पहिली शाळा, I think about 90 years ago, सुरू केली उर्दू मीडियममध्ये. आणि फर्स्ट प्रिन्सिपल, ती शाळेची फर्स्ट प्रिन्सिपल ज्यूइश लेडी मिस सॅमसन, वाइस प्रिन्सिपल a Parsi lady called Miss Bharucha, and head teacher a Saraswat Brahmin Mrs. Parulekar. काय कॉम्बिनेशन आहेत? 90 years ago, उर्दू शाळा सुरू करायला, these were the 3 people. There were 5 students. Today that campus has got 6,500 students. I will pick up just one school of mine out of 100 institutions to give you a narrative that Marathi शाळेमध्ये जो students होतात, they are not up to the mark, they don't have a bright future, it is rubbish. They have, in fact, better future, but you need to have good teachers in these institutions. ही उर्दू शाळा जी आहेत बॉम्बे सेंट्रलमध्ये, it caters to all the girl students from the hutment. They don't have 2 square meals. Roti, kapda, makan is a problem for them. And they have fire in their belly. You give them opportunity, they come out with flying colors, far better than the privileged children. Government of India started in tune with the new education policy you might be knowing about, called Atal Tinkering Lab. Before implementing the education policy, they thought that technical environment should be created amongst the students at a secondary level. A very famous scientist from Maharashtra, you must be knowing him, Mr. Bhatkar, Dr. Bhatkar. He was IIT Delhi. He started that Atal Tinkering project for Niti Aayog, and in collaboration with Technical University Stockholm from Sweden. आणि सुरुवातीला मला वाटतं 2000 स्कूलला काहीतरी त्यांनी अडॉप्ट केलं. And in Mumbai there were 13 schools who were selected, and this girls Urdu medium school was the first one to implement, inaugurated by a scientist from BRC who had 3,500 chat talks. Looking at the excitement amongst the girls, he said they are going to make it. And now, believe it or not, when you start new ventures that you have also started, at the end of the year, जैसे तुम परीक्षेला बसतात ना, 1 वर्षानंतर your exam has to be taken, what is the outcome? The government of India said, let us come out and find out what is the outcome of 1 year of this Atal Tinkering Lab. The King and Queen of Sweden were to visit. In India, this school was selected for the performances. And thereafter, we were talking of innovation. It's incredible that you are doing it. That innovation has to occur at school level. If innovators are present there, you need to identify so that when they come up at higher education level, they are already prepared for innovation. The government of India decided to select schools to have an innovative project for standard 8th and 9th student. महाराष्ट्रामध्ये एक शाळेला सिलेक्ट केलं, same school. At Pragati Maidan, Prime Minister of India visited. These 2 girls from slum, they demonstrated their innovation, vertical turbine which will generate electricity in the rural India. And 2 months down the line, Government of India at school level wanted to participate in international competition for this. This school was selected only from India. They went to, I think, Bangkok, came back with the silver medal, and India stood second in the world. And who were the girls? That's what I say. There is a fire in their belly. You need to give the opportunities, which you are doing, in spite of the fact it's a private trust. It is incredible. And what is the benchmark of organization, institution is alumni. How well your alumni are placed. Are they achievers in India? Are they achievers beyond in India? Which is very important. So during the COVID period, when we were all at home, we were not going to the hospitals initially. So we made it a point to have our alumni from all institutions, and it is almost 1 lakh of them. And these alumni surprised me to the level. The older ones were brilliant. The younger ones, when I visited US for Harvard and MIT collaboration, we had a meeting of our alumni in Washington, D.C. and New York. One of the alumni, Apurva Modi, from Anjuman Islam Sabu Siddiq Engineering College, has been assigned and outsourced 2030 lunar program of NASA, and he was working in NASA. These are the people who will create a benchmark and name for you. There were many of them. Like, for instance, when you were talking about acting and dramatics, music, it reminded me of our alumni. The famous Dilip Kumar studied in vernacular medium school, who was Padma Vibhushan. Ismail Merchant, Surekha film actress, Tabassum Phul Khile Hain Gulshan Mein. And we give 6 test cricketers. I'm a cricketer myself. I used to play one down and opening bowler for intercollegiate and university, gave also running commentary, so that is fascination. The recent student who made his debut in test cricket in West Indies and Trinidad, on debut he scored a century. You know who he is? Tejasvi Jaiswal. He was a student of Urdu medium school of Anjuman Islam. He came because we have got cricketing talent there. And he was hand to mouth. He didn't have 2 square meals, so he used to come and share in the institute. We also helped him out. And there is another one, you will know in a year or 2 years' time, Abhigyan Kundu. He had created a record for himself in Harish and Gail sheet, which is almost like a Guinness Book of Record. Indian team under 19 is traveling to Australia, and he is selected wicketkeeper batsman. So he'll be another one who will be part of the Indian team. And there is one Mushir Khan, who on his debut in Ranji Trophy scored. We have got a lot of Ranji Trophy players. So in sports, in film industry, when you were talking of music, I was so excited that we intend to start one and we will take some collaboration from you. रवि शंकर के बाद नंबर 2 में जो सितार वादन में उस्ताद हालिम जाफरी साहब जो थे, वो अंजुमन के स्टूडेंट, ही वाज पद्म भूषण. So we might start a music school after him. And we intend to start an institute of entertainment related to film industry. One of the close friends, Mr. Nitin Vaidya, told me that Anjuman can do, so I will learn from you. That might be named after Dilip Kumar. Some of our students have reached to the level of highest corporate. They have been managing directors, Tatas, Birlas, you name it. So what is your benchmark of excellence is where your alumni are placed. Last year when I went to UK at Oxford and Westminster University, and a day later we had a get-together of our alumni at Leicester. So we asked them to come out and speak whatever you want to. One gentleman, elderly, almost in 60 years, if you look at his attire, he looked like an industrialist. और उसके आँख में जब बोलने लगा तो आंसू थे, वो रो पड़ा. उसने कहा मैं जब डिप्लोमा किया शाहबू सिद्दीक पॉलिटेक्निक में, तो मेरे पास यूनिफॉर्म के लिए पैसे नहीं थे, एंड आई यूज्ड टू शेयर अ लंच विद स्टूडेंट्स हु यूज्ड टू ब्रिंग लंच फ्रॉम होम, एंड ही वाज वेयरिंग ओल्ड यूनिफॉर्म, और वो कह रहा था कि मेरी जो पैंट थी उस पर कुछ छेद थे, तो मैं शर्ट बाहर निकाल के, तो टीचर पूछता था बाहर शर्ट क्यों, अंदर क्यों नहीं कर। दैट बॉय वेंट टू VJTI. He went beyond India. Today he is in UK and he is mentoring 2-3 of our students. And he says, I have made money. It is because of my organization. A day later, I went to Leicester to inaugurate one restaurant which was started by our ex-students of College for Catering and Technology. तिथे पण साहेब, very interesting coincidence. एक अमर, एक अकबर और एक एंथनी. I'm not taking their name, but this is how it is. 3 of them got together a decade ago. They had started their own restaurant, and I was invited to inaugurate. It was so crowded, all delicacies, and the waiters were robots. Robotic waiter they introduced in a small restaurant, and they remembered their early days. One of them was from Dharavi. He said, मेरे पास पैसा ही नहीं था, अंजुमन इस्लाम ने फीस माफ की, पैसा दिया, I want to give back. This is what the spirit should be. There are n number of stories that, but I would like to certainly give you one more story. And we also believe, and I'm so excited that this organization also believes in empowerment of women. Your Vice Chancellor was telling me. हमारे यहाँ तो 85% directors, principals, ladies हैं. We run 2 orphanages, one at Mumbai and one in Pune. We give them the best possible education. Their upbringing is as good as any of our own children. We settle them and we get them married also. तो जब मेरी आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री के साथ एक इंटरवेंशन हुआ था 2017 में, महिला आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी, बेटी बचाओ, बेटी पढ़ाओ और बेटी बसाओ हम 25 साल से कर रहे हैं, हम बसा भी लेते हैं. And one girl, I will tell you how she rose up to a level that you cannot imagine. She was found loitering on the railway platform and then was brought to the orphanage. Very brilliant girl. She had not studied by that time. She should have been in 4th or 5th. Good in her studies. And the relative said, iski shaadi karwana hai. She said no. She did her graduation. She came back to our Alana Institute of Business Management. And she was amongst first 3 who got the best possible package on orphanage girl. She is today the vice president of multinational e-commerce. She drives her own car, gets her young son, comes to the orphanage and say, "Mera maika hai. Let me give back." And why I strongly believe India will be Vishwaguru कि हिंदुस्तान में जो इंसानियत है, जो गंगा जमनी तहजीब है, it is going to live and continue to live. मेरे ऑफिस में कदम साहब एक कपल है, मियाँ बीवी. The husband was a leading lawyer at Bombay High Court, Mr. Patil. And his wife, Mrs. Patil, principal at Bedekar College at Thane. आमच्याकडे आले ते म्हणाले, आमचा एक मुलगा आहे, तुमचे अनाथालयाची एक मुलगी आम्हाला आवडली. मी म्हटलं, okay, let me see what it is. Then she said, माझ्या मुलगाचं नाव अब्दुल आहेत. म्हटले कमाल आहे, ते समजलं नाही काय झालं. तर she said, तुमची जी मुलगी आहे, because they are all my daughters. I am the head of the family. exceptionally talented. She's a teacher in international school. She has lost both the parents. I had an interaction, the boy had an interaction. They have liked each other, but then you have to give the consent, so we have come to you. म्हटलं काय स्टोरी आहे तुमची? ती म्हणाली, हे अब्दुल आहे ना, ते पुण्याला कुठल्या तरी अनाथालयामध्ये होतं. त्याच्यानंतर त्याला तो मुंबईला घेऊन आला, उल्हासनगरमध्ये, नाही अंबरनाथमध्ये. म्हटलं हा मुलगा व्हेरी इंटेलिजंट, but he was docile, lost, didn't know what's happening. And Mrs. Patil, who was the principal, she was also a counselor. She had 2-3 sessions. तो म्हणाला, मेरा क्या है? न माँ है, न बाप है, न फैमिली है, जिंदगी का मकसद ही नहीं है. अरे बेटा ऐसा मत कर, तेरी फैमिली मैं हूँ ना. She came back home and spoke to Mr. Patil that I want to get this child at our home. He immediately said yes. And त्यांचे एक मुली आणि मुलगा होता. The girl was doing some biotech and the boy was pursuing law. Teenagers. They were first taken aback. Ha na. When the parents said yes, the boy was shifted to their house at Wadala. He was given quality education, graduation, some postgraduate degrees and so on and so forth. He did a good job. Now he got a job at GPO, General Post Office at Vitilahed, the biggest post office. He was appointed in the orphan category as sorting out officer. And he was given a quarter to stay at Mulund. ते म्हणाले, साहेब, मुलगा आपचा आहे, हा background है, he is well settled, both have agreed, what do you say? मैंने कहा, मियाँ बीबी राजी तो क्या करेगा काजी, हो गया. But she said, एक चीज़ रिक्वेस्ट है कि अब्दुल मेरे घर पे गणेश चतुर्थी पे आएगा और राखी बनवाने के लिए मेरे बेटे के हाथ से अपने घर में. अरे मैंने बोला, बेटा तुम्हारा है, दामाद पे हमारा थोड़ा चलेगा, तुम्हारा बेटा है, जो आप करना चाहे करें. Then we organized the wedding on our huge ground there. And lot of guests are invited. Their guests are so excited, and guests are Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Parsi, सब आता है. क्योंकि यतीम बच्ची है, सर पे हाथ रखोगे तो बहुत. तो शादी हुई. और शादी कैसे होती है? एक मेहता ट्रस्ट है गुजरातियों का. They gave her wardrobe. एक ट्रस्ट ने किचननेट दिया. अंजुमन गिव ज्वेलरी. उसका सब सजाया हुआ रखा गया सामने और सेरेमनी हो गई वेडिंग. उसके बाद Mr. and Mrs. Patil say we want to address to the gathering, and Mr. Patil had come in kurta, Lucknowi kurta and that Turkish topi, his son like that, and he addressed the people. You believe it or not, the audience was not crying, weeping with a noise. ये क्या हो रहा है? त्याच्यानंतर आपली प्रिन्सिपल आली. ती म्हणाली, out of 3 children, this Abdul stands for me every time. He is more close to me. And she got standing ovation for this. आणि एक आठवड्यानंतर typical Marathi style wedding was organized in a small place in Dadar. Dulhan was in 9-yard sari and all. And people were so vibrant and positive. I said, this is our India, where humanity is respected across the lines. This is what we need to today. And I'm so happy that it is not because you said or read out, but I have found out in my own way that the kind of work that you are doing, it is a true tribute to Mahatma Gandhi. And I feel extremely honored to be amidst you. This is my dream come true. And last but not the least, collaborations. And you have done collaboration with Germans and so on and so forth. It is very important to do that. We have collaborated with MIT Boston, and we have started similar courses which are MicroMasters. And once those do MicroMasters in 2 semesters, when they go for masters in US, they are supposed to do just 1 semester. And it is an add-on. Beyond the syllabi, you can do this. And we have brought in STEAM in our schools, primary and secondary. And we deputed about 6 teachers from here. We took care of their all expenses. They were part of the deliberations and trained in MIT Boston. And what happens is when you do collaboration, you need to have immediate outcome. So the 6 people who went, out of that, 1 gentleman was from School of Business Management. He came back and he said, sir, we have collaboration with financial institutions and stock exchange. We would organize a financial international enclave in collaboration with Bombay Stock Exchange, and it was done in Bombay Stock Exchange. Those of you who are part of business school, Mr. Kothari, P.S. Kothari, right? He is an authority of many books. He is the chief at Sloan Kettering, MIT. Someone from Bentley University, Jahangir, came, and 4 of them came. That was such a success that all HR heads of various Tatas, Birlas, they were all part of it. And it gave an opportunity to the young one and the faculty to understand what they are saying. And this is what collaboration is all about, that you implement it, you get the outcome of that, and then it benefits you. Your alumni come together for this, that's what you are doing. We are also collaborating with Westminster with a similar thing that you are doing. I was in also that BBC London building also, I've seen myself. And Westminster University is one of the finest in that. So we also intend to start, so we'll collaborate. तुमसे थोड़ा हम भी सीख लेंगे. Because knowledge has also to be shared. I wouldn't take much of your time. I have taken enough time. I believe the more you speak, the less you remember. The more you speak, the less you remember. I spoke so very less. I'm sure you will remember everything what I said. And wish you all the very best. You all faculties here have a bright future. The teachers, the principals, you are the drivers. We on this side are passengers. We all depend on you. What is an institute of excellence? Where the content and the container should be par excellence. On both parameters, you are outstanding. Being a medical person from that fraternity, Jadhav Sahab told me that they have got accreditation for an MBA, which is very difficult for medical colleges, and the first in Maharashtra. Incredible. Big round of applause for what they did. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra, Jai MGM Mission.